Hi guys.
Hi guys. What are we doing right now, Chloe?
We're gonna count.
We're going to count and double check that you have what? All
L-O-L.
LOLs. Because sometimes we get some downstairs, upstairs, in the bathroom, in the kitchen. So this is just a good way to keep track of them, right?
In the bedroom.
Oh, sometimes in the bedroom. So right now, what are we doing down here, though, in your toy area? Sorting. She's got to sort out Shopkins, all her little toys. She has her LOLs. She has her Barbie stuff. So we just sit back here for a little bit and then we get it all sorted out. All right, ready?
Yes.
Take a look at all your LOLs. Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
And 15.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Whoa, I thought we counted wrong. Something's wrong. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh, you were right. You do have 28.
28.
Now, we haven't confirmed that all your stuff is there, like shoes and accessories, which is kind of hope they're all here, but she's got to keep them organized. This is her LOL bin. So we're going to do that. She's got to sort through these ones. Why?
Because of too many.
It's overflowing now. But she just got this little guy. Ribbit.
His name is Foggy.
Ribbit.
Foggy, yeah.
So if you kiss him, will he turn into a prince?
No.
No. He might just give you a wart.
Because you did have my phone.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. Well, we're going to keep moving along because then we have to get outside and do what, Chloe? Clean our backyard
Can I
up.
play though?
You're helping clean up. And we're going to plant a little garden here pretty soon with lettuce and that in the side. But let's get to work.